Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just doing a part 1 right now and just showing you what is in my bag. Got some nice little lashes, which I actually do wear profusely, a hair clip, a tie down, we got a comb and a brush on the other side, and of course wig caps. Now this is what my hair looks like before I do anything to it. Of course the cap is always big for me. I have a very small head, so I always have to cut the ears every wig that I get. So I'm just showing you how to do that. And this is transparent lace, so of course it's not going to match my dark skin, so you'll see throughout part 2 and 3 how I kind of master matching my skin. And but you guys got to watch it. You guys got to continue to watch my videos. So I'm just continually cutting the ear tabs off. And next step that I'm moving to is the bleaching process. So as you will see, my bleaching process is a mess. I do not recommend doing it like this. I don't know what it was about this night, but it was just a terrible night for me for filming and for even doing my wig process, as you will see. So bear with me, and hopefully you do take some tips and tricks on what to do and what not to do out of my process. So I'm just measuring out, just eyeballing it, and you want your consistency to be very, very thick. Like you want the bowl to, you want to be able to tip the bowl over and it's not going to fall out. You want it to be chunky. So I just used 30 volume developer. That's all that I had in my drawer, and that's just what I used. Like I said, this process was not it. It was terrible. I should have just put it on my mannequin head and flipped it inside out and just did it that way. But I figured this way of doing it is where I wasn't packing it in on the hair too strongly, and I was just trying to make sure that the bleach wasn't going to seep through the hair. I felt like if I might have did it the other way that I was thinking of, then it would have reached the hairs on the outside, and you don't want that. So I was just trying to be very, very gentle here, and it became a mess. I should have worn gloves. Next part of this video is, I thought I recorded, but something happened to my camera, and so all the videos are just not there. So I had dyed my hair black at the same time the hair was bleaching, and that was a mess. I just don't recommend it. This is the end results of the bleaching process on the frontal. It looks okay. Like I said, I am dark, so you just gotta, I will work some magic on this. Trust me, it's gonna look good by the end of it. But I'm just showing you what it looks like with the hair being dark and bleached.